We have a report of two boats crashing on Otter Tail Lake. Here's some of that radio traffic at around 3:30 p.m. Saturday.
Rescue respond for a boating accident 30529 State Highway 78. East side of Otter Tail Lake, two boats crashed, one person in the water, unable to locate him.
Again, as you heard, two boats crashing on the east side of Otter Tail Lake. One person was missing, but later radio traffic indicated a person was transported to the hospital. No details yet. We'll update the story later today. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.